Face reading, nocturnal emissions. Nocturnal emissions are a result of a deficiency of the spleen and kidney, leading to the functional failure to hold the fluid or of damp heat disturbing the essence chamber. Frequent leaking of semen unrelated to sexual activity is considered an ailment. Clinically, nocturnal emissions are manifested more than twice a week, often accompanied by such symptoms as lightheadedness, tinnitus, forgetfulness, palpitations, and anxiety, insomnia, and dreaminess. Some patients Some patients can also display other symptoms such as frequent urination, an urgency to urinate, and painful urination. The condition can be caused by unrestrained sexual activity, congenital deficiency, overthinking, unfulfilled desires, unhealthy eating habits, and an attack of damp heat. Face reading. If oily, moist red patches appear in the triangular fossa zone of the ear, it suggests that frequent nocturnal emissions have caused fatigue and lower back pain. Therapeutic methods. Patients should learn to adjust their state of mind and know how to be a captive of sexual desire and to instead cultivate the mind. And that at the same time, restraint should be exercised in sex activity and masturbation should be avoided. Dietary advice. This condition is mostly a result of deficiency syndrome. Patients should maintain a diet focused on nourishment and avoid foods that are raw, cold, or of a cold property. Those with hyperactivity of fire due to yin deficiency should avoid foods that are dry and of a warm property. Those with unconsolidated kidney chi should eat walnuts, black beans, and similar foods. Exercise. Persevere in the engagement of physical activities of appropriate intensity, such as walking, jogging, ball games, or yoga, but avoid overexertion. Emotional adjustment. Focus on mental adjustment and cultivation. Keep away from unnecessary arousal and lead a life of few desires. Cultivate a peaceful mind or a peaceful mind and hobbies to enrich your life and avoid overexertion. Medicinal diet therapy. Chicken stewed with Chinese yam and Chinese wolfberries. Chinese yam 500 grams, one chicken, Chinese wolfberries, and salt. Wash the chicken and cut into pieces. Add some water and cook on high heat until it is half done. Wash the Chinese yam, peel the skin and cut it into pieces. Put into the pot, then add the Chinese wolfberries and salt and cook until squashy. Regular intake of this medicinal dish can nourish the kidney and strengthen the essence. Massage. The Shenmen point calms the nerves, tranquilizes the mind, and clears the meridians. It is mainly used to treat heart palpitations, insomnia, and forgetfulness. Combined with the Tai Chi and Zusanli points, it can elevate, to some extent, symptoms resulting from nocturnal emission, such as heart palpitations and insomnia. Massage once or twice a day for 3 to 5 minutes each using the pad of your thumb. The Shenmen point. Thank you for your attention.